Good morning, guys. Start my morning out here in Arlington, Texas. Made it home for the weekend. I gotta run over to Funkytown, Fort Worth, load up some scrap metal. I'm gonna run that down to H-Town. Just checking out the truck. Well, I already checked out the truck, just going over it one more time. Move my car and stuff, put it in my parking spot. Fort Worth from Arlington's only 15 or 20 minutes. Started nice and early so I can get out here. Plus they're doing really bad construction. They're doing really bad construction on 287 and I-20. So I want to get on through there. So I ain't got to do that boogie all morning. So I'll get over there, open up my tarp, and wait for them to come into work, get me unloaded, and I'll get on down the road. Should be an easy day. I'm gonna take an easy week actually. Christmas next week, so I'm just gonna run this load down there, try to do some maintenance, hopefully catch a load back and call it quits for the year. So that should be it. Let me go ahead and mount you guys up top and we'll go from there. I made it here. When I pulled in, I actually parked over here, but I got ran off by the damn street sweeper of this dang scrapyard. He made me move from there to here or whatever. They're open, but I guess they're doing work. They don't open for another hour, so got my tarp opened up. Move my bows. I'm gonna sit here and wait for a little bit till they open. I'm gonna give them a call since I know they're there. Maybe they'll let me in. Since I'm a commercial, got my bows put up. Load this ferromanganese last, but since this is scrap metal, ain't no need to clean it out. I really don't like loading at this place. I was here about a year ago, and the dang overhead crane, they swung it into the side of my trailer. I don't have that trailer no more, but still, you got to deal with incident reports and safety guys and them saying they didn't do it, and you sit there and seeing them do it with their own eyes. But yeah, it's real dirty. Got to worry about popping tires here. And then the product is really high. Man, it's a pain to get your bows back on and tarped up. Real dirty, lots of dust in the nose. But yeah, the gate's still closed. Wish they'd hurry up with it. This road is all jacked up. outside of the facility. This is 610 right above me. I could untarp in there, but they've got a rule where you can't climb on top of your trailer. And on this load, I have to move my bows because this stuff will catch it and rip it off. So I'm doing everything out here so that way I can move my bows. And I really hate this load. The whole way down here I was freaking itchy. Whatever this stuff is, and it stinks, it's itchy, it's dirty. I do not like this load at all. Heck, this one I couldn't even put it in the pocket because the stuff was so high. See, I don't know if y'all seen me shovel, but man. And then on top of that, this freaking guy that loaded me, I'm sure y'all caught it also. He freaking he bent the crap out of my boat. Look at that crap, man. That's uncalled for. And I didn't feel like dealing with getting the bosses involved and all that, so I'm gonna be rebending that boat myself. Buying a new one of the two. Go ahead and come down? Okay.
Kingpin, yeah.
Okay.
You guys down. Check it out. This side.
Okay. Okay.
And move it. And the other side too.
Well, both sides?
Both sides moving. And you replace that Kingpin.
Okay.
The side rod and the dry link is fine. It's good.
Okay.
Except for Kingpin. See?
Okay.
This one got a little play.
Uh-huh.
The left side got a more play.
Okay. So do both at the same time?
Both sides.
Okay, and that's why the tires weren't funny also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. The
All
tire
right.
rod and the dry link is good this side.
Okay.
Let me fix it for do the line.
Okay. So hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's Wednesday. It's the week before Christmas. So I got a short week, calling it quits for the year. So after that load, I showed you guys down in Houston. I reloaded in Houston and took that up to Durant, and I delivered that this morning. It's Wednesday. Passed through the house last night and I stayed at home instead of going all the way up to Durant dealing with that Dallas traffic. But I'm going to show y'all something. When I was undoing my tarp, the damn tarp holder and came off. So that dude really did a number on this trailer. So he may not have done that, but man, he was rough with it. So it looked like that nut just came off. And then when I was here, I had a dang nail in the tire. So a couple of things to take away from this this load. First thing, this thing is dirty. I don't know what that stuff is, but it stinks. So that first bar up there, he bent the crap out of it. That dude was really rough on this trailer. So whenever, excuse me. So whenever I load, certain loads you got to move your bows, which you guys seen. So I leave the front bow and the very rear bow, and I move all the other ones. So what that's doing, that's keeping a barrier right here from this cap. So this dude that was loading me, he was clearly an idiot. He bent the crap out of this bow. Let's say I had moved this bow out of the way and it wasn't here, and he did that to this cap. Hey, he would have damaged the crap out of that thing. Then I would have had to deal with safety and writing a report and this, that, and the other. So thankfully he didn't rip the pockets out of here, so both sides are good. I'm gonna have to take the bow off and try to bend it myself. So that's the main thing. That's really dirty. Same thing for the back. So if you move the back bow when you're getting loaded, that's putting them close to this tailgate. So I can't even see that thing. Damn, I don't even know how it goes. But that's it, guys. As you can see, when I was down in Houston, I had them check out, I went to Beasley Tire and had them check out my truck, because it's shaking around 50 miles an hour pretty good. Sure enough, I need the kingpins. So since I'm done for the year, after I get this truck wash right here, I'm in Dallas, by the way. Once I get the truck wash, I'm gonna go home, drop this trailer, and I'm gonna take my truck to get an oil change. I'm gonna get an oil change. It'll be ready to go for the new year. And then either, I don't know, next week or the first week of the new year, I'll do the kingpins. I could do it now, but I'm waiting for another quote up here, so I don't know if I need to go back down to Houston to get that done or not, but we'll see. But first line of business, get that oil change, and that's it. Call it a wraps for the year. Really appreciate everybody sticking around and watching my videos. I appreciate the input. I appreciate y'all. So hope everybody had a good year. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I guess that's it. I'll check y'all on the next one.